In this video, we'll take a quick look at the software interface on our new PMX source unit for your Harley-Davidson. Welcome back, I'm Eric. Now congratulations on your new source unit. Now there are a lot of features in this radio, and we'll cover a handful of important ones to get you on the road as quickly as possible. So let's jump in. The first thing you'll be presented with when the source unit is powered up is the initial settings menu. Press Region to change the selected country. This switches the radio tuner to accommodate different broadcasting standards. When done, press Finish. As with any software-driven device, you'll want to download and install the newest software for the latest feature enhancements. To check the current versions, press Audio Settings, then System Settings. Press Software Information to view the software version. Once you know what version you have, go to rockfordfosgate.com and navigate to the PMX-HD14 page under Motorcycle Audio and click Software Updates to visit the Downloads page. If a newer software version exists, follow the instructions on the download page to transfer the software to a new USB drive. Connect the USB to the cable labeled USB Input, accessible in the fairing pocket. A prompt will appear notifying you of updated data on the USB. Press Yes when ready to upgrade, then press All Update. Now warning, do not turn the power off to the radio when updates are being made. The source unit may reboot and continue loading updates multiple times, so this may take several moments. A prompt will appear notifying you that the update completed and to remove the USB drive. Now that you're done with that, let's get your audio system dialed in. Your source unit has custom-tuned DSP settings for Rockford Fosgate aftermarket stage kits for the best performance possible. Now when activating this feature, your crossover settings will be disabled to prevent speaker damage. Press Settings, scroll down to Kit Selection. Select the appropriate configuration for your audio system. If you don't have an aftermarket Rockford Fosgate stage kit, select Flat Tune. This allows you to manually adjust equalizer, crossover, and gain settings. Now that you've successfully set up your PMX-HD14, let's show you how to navigate through some of the screens. To begin, on the home screen, you should see four main icons: Home, Settings, Information, and Power. The home icon always returns you back to the home screen. The settings icon allows you to change the audio, system, headset, and Bluetooth settings. The information icon returns you to the bike info page with a long press. The power icon turns the source unit on and off with a long press as well. The information and power icons also perform volume up and volume down functions with a short press. Finally, there's also a light sensor that dynamically adjusts the display's brightness. The center of the home screen has up to 4 icons: Music Source, Bike Info, Apple CarPlay if connected, and CB if equipped with a CB module. Finally, the top left displays the currently selected audio source, and the top right displays the current time. Okay, now that we've covered that part, let's explain how to change the source input. Press the music icon to display up to 8 source inputs. To select one, press the Bluetooth, USB input, FM, or aux input, satellite radio if equipped, weather band, AM, and street party mode. Alright, now let's take a look at our newest feature, Street Party Mode. This feature allows one PMX source unit to broadcast music and multiple PMX radios to receive it. Now note, those who want to participate in Street Party Mode must have a PMX-HD14. To be a broadcaster, let's walk you through the setup. Press Party Mode on the menu. Press Broadcast, then select the appropriate source to begin streaming music. To start or stop this feature, press the on-off icon. Alright, now that you know how to be a broadcaster, let's walk you through becoming a receiver. Press Party Mode on the menu, then press Receiver. Press the chain icon to select the broadcaster name when it appears in your list. It will search for 15 seconds. If no broadcaster appears, press the circling arrows to search again. Please note, music information such as artist or track are not displayed. To unlink your radio, press the chain icon. You can change the name of your PMX radio so it's easier to identify for broadcasting and receiving. Press the settings icon, then press Bluetooth. Press the device name. Now the default name is PMX-HD14. Use the keyboard to make your name change, then press Done to save it. To cancel, click the X on the top right. The next feature we want to show you is the motorcycle's information screen that displays your motorcycle's info. This screen may change layout as future updates are rolled out. From the home screen, press the motorcycle icon. You'll see the miles traveled and distance since service. To reset these counters, press the corresponding reset icon underneath. The next feature we want to explain is Apple CarPlay. Now, if your Apple iPhone is connected via wire, the icon will appear on your home screen. Press the icon to open Apple CarPlay. Use the icons to navigate through your iPhone's applications such as Maps and Music. To return to the home screen, press the Rockford icon or the Home icon. If your system is equipped with a compatible CB, the headset icon will be visible on your home screen. Press the CB icon to access the menu. The menu allows you to change channels, save presets, and turn the CB mode on and off. The next icon you'll see is your settings icon. This will take you to audio settings. These are the same types of menus that you would see in a standard source unit like fader, balance, EQ, crossover, and subwoofer. The next icon you'll see is system settings. These allow you to adjust the screen brightness, clock mode, time and date, and language. The next icon opens the headset settings if you have a wireless headset interface module installed. This is where you would pair a wireless headset such as a Senna or Harley-Davidson powered by Rockford Fosgate headset. You can also change the audio routing where you can specify where each audio source plays. The last icon opens the Bluetooth settings. This is where you can pair your mobile device and change the name of your PMX source unit. Okay guys, hopefully this video got you set up and provided a quick look at the software interface on your new PMX source unit for your Harley-Davidson. If you need further assistance, please contact our technical support Monday through Friday at 1-800-669-9899 or through live chat at the bottom of rockfordfosgate.com. We'll see you in the next video.